Ma mini can fast no Emma TCL. Open home appliances, papa, air conditioners, flat screen TV, microwave ovens, washing machines, and in the emetitis are a papa, a TCL. TCL, the creative life. Nafi, Dr. Frank, our Franco Trading Enterprise. Dr. Frank, and Nadaroma, wakofa phones, papa, and who are carrying so, Ediaba. Enti ene kane ananka wama omutonton phones wama call Dubai ni ade kofa phones ba no ene wamu nyina Franco Trading Enterprise ena wamu ko tu wamu phones ene ho akade eton enti wo pe mobile phones ene ne ho hands free ene ne ho batteries ne ne keka ho a ni nyina no Franco Trading Enterprise eno dan chen a laptops ne printers ene niam etetete sa eno so ebi wo ho ansa na home appliances to say flat screen TV, Franco TV, any daho, kind. It's Bora Franco Trading Enterprise. Shop be a Wagana Habebia. And also ko Facebook na ko follow Franco Trading Enterprise. Ni page no and a war over 100K and 100,000 likes. Well, like here. Na afi we place order. Ni me one shop ni mu nyina no, ubenya no Facebook page wa wo da be bia wo bia no. Ya de bebre wabobo ano na watuaka tititia channel so say Franco page no and there were over 100K likes no Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa any home appliances no hwaka de ahemfie ene ho well ebusa ma mensha sei ben na watwe mienu ni ena mede adidome Central Town District Capital at the Dome. Mede police station ewo the District Police Command. Wamo sabi ejanan bia wamo ekoso ehwo asem bi fiase se mede tujan kakra. Na sania situation itie no enye enyan. Okohwe baby a police foi wamo eye wamo hu a enye. In fact, aya diama se wo se police ni afase kan na wode fan wura mu a na se wokututu fam na akoye no huye wo ho wa ma tre ho letters ama tre ho krata ni ade bebre na meni assemblyman atwetwe nkomo na wo twe twam am Odom Nsem atudwa anapai meto ankomo twetwe no so. And I believe I have the district chief executive on the line. Mesakana, meneno ebetwetwe enkomo, Honorable Thomas Moore, DC Central Town, meneno entwetwe enkomo. Honorable Timenkame mo akwaba.
Good morning.
Bibi ambako de.
Oh yeah, fine. My tree is bad, so.
Oh, your tree is bad, eh?
Very, very bad.
Okay, don't worry. We will manage the English. But the situation at the Dome police station, the place of convenience for the police personnel is very, very deplorable. Are you aware, Honorable?
Yeah. I'm aware, very much aware.
Since when? For how long have you been aware of the situation?
No, it was brought to my attention about 2 years ago.
2 years ago?
Yes, okay. But initially what came to my attention was to assist them construct a septic tank. They themselves were providing labor and we were supporting them as an assembly with material. But unfortunately, the tank failed to say that there was a collapse of the septic tank they were constructing, maybe for technical reasons or what, I don't know. So we couldn't finish the tank. They were providing direct labor, the assembly, and we were doing the material aspect. So in one of our meetings last month, the security or DISEC realized that there's a need to revisit that particular project because initially they couldn't involve the engineers in doing the construction. So the failure came. And by the nature of our land being very clay and others, we have to consider other options. So we ask that the engineers go to site, do proper investigation, and then do a design and a bill of quantity for our consideration this quarter. So it is part of our budget and part of our action plan for the last quarter of this year. So hopefully we'll look at how we can solve that problem for the police at
Okay, but Honorable, if you say you are looking for other options, what exactly do you mean?
The other options, as I say, is about the tank. You know, the place, the where we have the barracks, the land from the not too good for underground tank. So when they started, they had a problem with the land. Movement of the land that brought a lot of cracks into the tank and then the collapse. So we are trying to consider the use of the new technology, the biofuel type. That will be very small and will not go deep into the ground, and it will be more durable because Adom land is very clay, and anytime you construct such under a basement, it develops failure. So we want to change what they were doing initially, or what we were together doing initially, to a new type, and that will be very useful to all of us.
Okay, but how much is the biofuel supposed to cost, Honorable?
Oh, they are now going to look at it. Honestly, we want to do it one biofuel to a room. So the engineers are going now to count the number of rooms we have, so that we don't overload one tank. So it depends on the number of people who are occupying the various blocks. That will determine the number of biofuel we can construct. It will be cheaper, easier, and faster. So we are looking at that option now.
How many blocks are you talking about? How many blocks do we have in the barracks?
I can count about 4.
4 blocks.
But yes.
With how many rooms?
I don't want to give you a wrong figure, but I think about 5 people stay in one block if they still stick by the original design.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So in the interim, are there any plans by the assembly to provide a place of convenience for these police personnel? Because the reports I'm getting is that as we speak, the only place they have, the only option is to use the bush as a place of convenience, and that's not too good, Honorable.
Oh yes, I know they don't have toilet, but as to whether they are using open defecation or what,
yes.
I don't know.
That's the report. I
don't have the time, or I couldn't actually go monitor them where they defecate. Either it's the open type or whatever. I'm unable to say it now. But I'm telling you the plans we have, that as soon as possible we're going to construct this biofuel for them. The engineers are working on it because, there are procedures. You can't just go and order a contractor who and start to work without giving him drawing, without giving him specifications, without passing through the tender process. So having realized that the initial thing we were doing together, because we were giving them material, they were also doing their labor and mobilizing resources from every angle. That has not been able to solve the problem. So the option we are considering now must go through tender. So I hope it will take 2 weeks for the engineer to submit their report.
2 weeks? Okay.
Yeah. The number of biofuel we have to do for them, the sizes, and then the prices and the other things, plumbing works we have to consider. When they are able to submit that, then I'll call for an entity tender committee meeting. Then we will approve of it and see how fast we can address their problem.
Okay, so let's say by 3 weeks' time, something should have started for them. Listening to you.
And for the construction, I can't say yes or no because by 3 weeks we should still be in the process of awarding the contract. So a maximum of 5 weeks or 6 weeks, we should be able to introduce the contractor to site to do that work for us.
Maximum of 5 weeks. Okay, Honorable, I will just take you by your word, and then we'll have another conversation as we move along. But thank you very much for your time this morning.
Thank you too for listening.
Right. Honorable Thomas Moore, District Chief Executive, Central Town District, and Mene no Atwetwe and Komono. Adom 106.3 FM. Inti na nia ekwaso ewa didome. Ena mini DC Atwetwe Komono. Mepe police commander na fi assemblyman no so mebisa no nia anamu a watu wo ho na nsen a mene ne kasa nia waye afa sawa hawi eho ono so mene no ebetwetwe enkomo. But away from that, ma menko tenkon apew na afei sene da no mede beto atiefo nyina anim no adwuma no ahyase na baby asese adwuma no aduro mene Owura Daniel Raj oye managing director Global Waters Ghana mene no betwetwe nkomo na afei yehunu baby a wo maduru adwuma no na afei da wo mbewie kura da on be hand over de amayen mayen so ye ba akɔhwɛ ye hwa na afei yen so ya bodwa na afei ya hand over borehole project no e de ama nana nom ne omanfo omo tenkon apew ye kasa ide adwuma no ahyase yawada etwam ana ebrada etwam na adwuma no ahyase ebrada etwam na adwuma no ahyase ami gina hobi ana afidie no bae ahyase se etu a nsuo epie ebae enti bene opani ne betwetwe enkomo but me kan say no na yeguso a yehia moa na no menya call free Virginia a opani kase ba kwa wo ho wahwe documentary no e wo YouTube na wo chese obeye ye moa enti eno no but bia na wo mo apesa de eboa number no 0556 614 196 0556 614 196 Owura Daniel Raj ewa homa no so Owura Raj.
Yes, good morning.
Morning apomba kwode.
Yeah, Diane sir.
Okay. Adwuma no ya hyase tenkon no sesi a hefa ne aduro Odaroma.
Drilling ni we know is completed. As I speak now, omu ye platform no baby I befa polytank no see. Then the final installation will be done by Ochinano Moya installation. No, by Wednesday you be final handing over for a completion of the project. Yes, sir.
Okay. And by Wednesday no.
Yeah, baby. As platform no, and fetching area no, baby. Omu bucket. As the answer na omu tap no, and show no, baby. Yes, our completion no. Into fine coach na no na installations no more pumping no more tank no. By Wednesday na final handing over.
But that no kasa na wo ka ensuo se ensuo no eba munya ensuo no a mo be test na fe mo hwe se ensuo no se ye be no mana na se ye de ye ensuo a munya ye no etesen from Tinkwa.
Very okay, but as I speak now samples no were Ghana Water Research Institute.
Okay.
And hopefully by Wednesday and Thursday na and so are ready. But normal test mostly after drilling me fast samples now test say salty and very good, but this is very good and salty.
Okay. Alright, and then the bebon tell na fe ye de esiha nyame adoma ukwada ebesan so atwetwe enkomo bio yeda se pa momoni adwuma moye adwuma papa Global Waters Ghana Me bon se mamo.
Global Waters Ghana Limited.
Mayade. Eti Ora Daniel Raj, managing director Global Waters Ghana Limited. One more. Ena yedi adwuma tinkon apaw adwuma no yedi share wo monsa wo boye ho amane no nti yenhwe nim se enkosi be ya wada de na wo mawie bibia na yahwe se ne etoso mienu no nso so yensa ebetumi aka but shane so me number no ensesan bia na wo moa bia wo kra so pese ode boa ma borehole etoso mienu I pese ye dema adehia omo tenkon apel no wo mo say tumi aka me number no say 0206 943337 0206 943337 momwan ni ntumi mwa omanfo a wo mo ewo ahaw ahodo yentimi emboa wo mo say me wie ni say ya efi wu kwada ekọ ya the issues bi eba betudwa efi ukwada eko ensam na bi wo hono a efa wo manfo no ho direct but e bi wo hon so a na esese yesi a kire na fe ye mu hwehwemu and ma me production team abaso wo mo ye dwuma papa behind the scenes ama yetumi de sa dwuma de yi ni na ni project ahodo a ye de asie no so nyina ye de ebro mo ama wo remfi se denchira esase so ye remfi ye nja mu ntu hokra denchira esase so yenja mu ento ho enti she no so ema me ye de besi padansa na mame bie phone lines no 0302216561 0302216562 0302216561 0302216562 hello good morning
Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Oh, good morning, CJ.
Why nie?
Do I put it down?
Do yentio.
CJ, who Bajma?
Medase.
Interview can manage. Then we interview for a Suna what you want. Oh, the way we interview no. I'm a manager for a point show.
Medase.
Who can say no, Mr. Captain? I'm so that is a captain on the back of Cabano.
Medase do. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, CJ.
Yes, I'm whining.
Olokodo. I say respect ni Ashama Lebando Zone 5.
Respect yentio.
CJ, esima de lebo bi papa na emi sure non kron. We do stretch na ti sa do me fun se ku enim dada. CJ, ebobo mo dia se gomo we se wo problem pa anti bomo dia na fu ni su kira ho medase.
Mr. Medase, respect. Memfa ni otwato. Hello, good morning.
Hello, CJ.
Yes, sir.
Mathieu.
Me just around whiny.
That's he got question in the chat.
Oh, Frevin.
CJ. Atim awaham.
Okay.
Yes, I'm going to go akwati.
Yentio.
CJ, ye pacho. Kobe ye 70 years in. Kono anyi se amakasi. Ye nya koko, ye nya timba, ye nya godo. Ye pe 5 months quota pe CJ ye sramu. Au, ye kaye diema, ye sramu. Munkatana na duma ye pani so we di atim for ye sramu. 5 months pe. Why ye sramu? Kokuma nyinyi tima.
Medase. Ye de besia na nyame aduma ukwada. Ya sanso de Beyi W'ano de abro asedane emfa matisia the creative life na fe Franco Training Enterprise phone papa ne ho akade ahemfie ene ho ma mentwa me homra na fe me ba twetwefo penning de ma NDC amayoko no Owura Johnson esiedu nketia wabeduru ha da na mene no entwetwe enkomo WhatsApp number ne 0556748029 0556748029 na ode WhatsApp message wasim bisebia na adwenche bia odi aba na agimre na yakenkan edi ama otimi so join yen e wo Facebook odo comment ne to ho a ya bekenkan edi ama meba
na wotwe mienu atwa mu ni na me